Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night from any part of the world where you are watching this video from. Um, First of all, my name is Usman Lawal Idoko, and I'm the CEO of Oletech Mobile. Today, I would like to discuss with you on how to become a mobile phone engineer in any part of the world where you want to establish this uh, uh, work. So, mobile phone engineering services has become one of the sought out work in the entire world today, because mobile phones is something that we human beings, especially in this our modern day generation, we can't do without it. So every day, every hour, every moment, just like I stated in my last video, mobile phones are being produced, and are being produced in large quantities because of the high demand for it. Every day people buy phones, people exchange phones, people in fact people get to fix the ones they have, because we human beings nowadays, we can't do without mobile phone. And some of these mobile phone, when they are being bought, there is always an incidence of accident, intentional, knowing or unknowingly damage of these devices. And when such things occurred, these users will like to look for someone who can put that mobile phone in order for him or her, that is, repairing the phone. That is the reason why mobile phone engineering has become one of the most sought out job across the whole world, not just in Nigeria, but many Western and Asian and Eastern countries in the world sought out phone technicians on daily basis just to fix one issue or the other. Now, talking of fixing this phone and talking of mobile phone production, you will see that as people are sorting out for these technicians on daily basis, it is another avenue for you to now, try as much as possible to align in the phone fixing business, because you are being sought out on daily basis. A phone engineer is being sought out on daily basis, and it is not a kind of work unlike the mobile accessory business when I talked about it last time. A mobile phone technician, as long as you know what you are doing, as long as you have the idea, as long as you have all the equipment, all the instruments to carry out this work, anywhere you find yourself, you always get people to sort for your services. You always get people to sort your services, because people mobile phone need repairs. Every day people need repairs for their mobile phones. So if you are living in an environment where people, you have a large percentage of people, and you establish this business in that environment, in this work in that environment, you need to make sure to be steadfast, to be trustworthy. You need to be trustworthy because for mobile phone engineer is not that easy, especially if you base on repairs of mobile phone. It's not easy because a lot of things always happens when you try to maybe fix phones, because mobile phone is a device that is very, very complicated, especially when it has a technical problems. Yes, it is very, very, very complicated. So that's why before I even go to that, I want to mention the three type of mobile phone engineering services. We have major, minor hardware problem. We have major hardware problem, and then we have software problem. When we talk of minor hardware problem, we are talking of changing the screen. Maybe changing the screen. When the screen is damaged, you just have to buy another screen and fix it. The mic is not talking, the mouthpiece is dead, you buy another mouthpiece, you fix it. The charging port is bad, you replace it with a new one. All these things are minor hardware. Yes, they are called minor hardware. So let's say the speaker is not working, you just have to replace another speaker. All these things are minor hardware. Then when we talk of major hardware is maybe when the phone fell on the water, the speaker is not working, you have changed another speaker, it is still not working. Maybe it as a result of IC. This is a major hardware. Let's say you fix a new screen, your screen is damaged, you put screen, you fix another screen, and the phone is not displaying. These are major hardware. Charging port is charging but is not adding percentage. These are major hardware. Now let's talk about the software. When we talk of software, we are talking of forgetting of password, that is software. Upgrading of your mobile phone using computer system, that is software. Flashing, all are software. Upgrading, and all the you guys know what I'm talking about. So these are software engineer. So that the three category of mobile phone engineering we have. Now if you are an engineer and someone brings a phone for you to fix it, you need to first of all use your mobile multimeter to check the terminal of that phone to make sure that there is no breach, there is no wrong connection, there is no passage of current between the positive leg and the negative leg. So this is what you have to check and examine. So that is for the main work. Now let's talk about the how to start up this video, because that's the reason why I'm making this video. If you want to see some of my hardware video, you can go to my YouTube, click on my video, you will see a lot of practical, a lot of job I have done. Most of these videos you are seeing is here. I make those videos, I actually produce those videos by myself, you understand, because that is what I actually do. So so if you want to you want to establish this job, there is a major thing you need to do first, you understand, because earlier I said that mobile phone engineering is very, very complicated. Yes, it's very, very complicated. It's not a job you just assume that yes, it's okay, because mobile phone can be so irritating at times, especially hardware. It can be so irritating at times. So when you want to before you think of starting up this business, you need to go for internship you need to look for someone who will teach you who will guide you on how to carry out this work, because you need to be mentored. I keep saying it, anything you want to do in this life, you need to be mentored on that very particular aspect of work or business. You need to be mentored by someone who already has the idea. So mobile phone is not accepted. You need to learn how to, you need to, you know, either you register yourself to an engineer, but the most important thing is for you to learn how to do the work. You need to learn how to handle soldering iron. You need to be taught on how to handle a workstation. You need to be taught on how to handle separating machine, and so on and so forth. So there are many a lot of things you need to understand, and it's only someone with the idea that can be able to guide you on how to go about it. So before so when you have this idea and you get the necessary knowledge concerning the job, you need to establish yourself. And the reason why a lot of people fail in this engineering work is because majority of the people believe they want to use the work to make money. They want to use the work to make quick money, which is in fact the reverse is the case. Before you establish this business, you need to establish yourself as well. What I mean establishing yourself is that you need to buy all the necessary equipment to start up the work. A lot of people don't take buying all this stuff for anything, like they will just maybe like they have a soldering iron, and later they will buy mouthpiece, buy this and that, and say yes, I'm ready to start the work. No, you need to buy the equipment for the work, because when you don't have the equipment, you will be making a lot of mistakes. You will be damaging a lot of customers' devices. You'll be damaging them. So you need to get all the equipment that is required. You need to get your multimeter, you need to get your reward station, you need to get your standby separating machine and a generator. You don't do assumption. There is nothing like assumption. Once you are assuming on this job, you will be damaging a lot of phone. Even though with all this equipment, there is still an instance where error can occur. So that's why in this work you need a total full attention. Whenever you are handling devices from your customers, you need to put all your attention on that very particular work, because the moment you start dividing your attention, you might end up destroying somebody's phone. And always make sure to hand over any let's say memory card, SIM card, any other valuable that is attached to the phone. Always make sure you hand them over to the person that gave you the device to fix, before you touch any of their mobile device, because there is always a case of maybe when the SIM card is not there, there will be an accusation. So only put this thing firstly in your diary. Return every valuable from that phone to the owner before you start doing anything on that device. So thank you very much for your time, and I'm going to be posting more video next time. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you are not a subscriber, thank you very much, because it really means a lot to me. Thank you, and bye bye for now.